'Twas a bright sunny day, with the air fresh and clean. Not a rumor was stirring, except in the latrine.
Hiya, Snafu. What's new?
Oh, nothing much. Nice day.
Nice day for a bombing.
Yeah, nice bombing weather. Bombing weather. Bombing weather.
Sounds harmless enough. Innocent stuff. But let's take a look in and find out what's cooking.
Bombing weather. Bombing weather. Bombing weather. Bombing weather. Bombing weather. Just between you and me, pal, I hear we're in for a bombing.
The hot air is blowing. A rumor is growing.
They're gonna bomb us. They're gonna bomb us. Hear about the bombing. Hear about the bombing. They bombed us.
Did you hear about the terrible bombing last night? Well, I heard it on good authority. That was harmless.
Balloon juice. It's phony, but it makes nice baloney. That's right. Exaggerate it. Stretch it. Multiply it. Now shoot off your face. And baloney is flying all over the place.
B-38 in Germany. Worst air raid of the war. Yeah. They blasted hell out of Brooklyn Bridge. Coney Island was wiped out.
What's the matter with our planes? They popped them off like kites.
10 parachute troops landed right on the White House lawn. The Florida coast is lousy with invasion barges.
Just a minute, Bud. Did you know that we have nothing to fight with? That our shells are all duds?
And furthermore, the jobs are in California. Wait until you see their new secret weapon.
This may surprise you, but they're attacking this very camp.
The Russians have surrendered.
The British are quitting!
The Chinese gave up. It's all over. We've lost the war. Rumors! Nice weather for a rumor, ain't it?